Good morning and welcome to another Twisted Allure unboxing video. Or if you're new here and you haven't watched my stuff before, welcome to this video. I am Alice Hallfox and I like this subscription box a lot, so I'm gonna open it. This is for the month of July. This has actually been sitting in my apartment for a minute now. I just haven't had time to actually open it, so I'm gonna do that now. I have absolutely no idea what the theme is again this month, but if you aren't familiar with the brand, they do these monthly subscription boxes that have a bunch of full-size cute spooky themed bath products and skincare products. There's bath bombs, lotions, I've gotten body scrubs, whipped soaps, hand soaps, all sorts of stuff. It changes every month. I don't know what the theme is this month. Last year it was this kind of spooky Lisa Frank theme that was super cute. I love all the products. I've been using them almost every day. But yeah, I'm just gonna open this and see what is inside of it. If I can get it open. Oh my god. That was a strong if. Everything is very neatly packaged. They use packing peanuts and tissue paper, so it looks cute and everything is always really secure. Also, they do sell individual products as well. I just like to do the subscription box because it feels like a little present to myself every month, you know? But yeah, this is, try to turn it so you can actually see it. This is the box. So yeah, this is it. What is the theme? Pool Party Massacre. Oh my god, I love that. I'm not gonna look at the back of it because it says what's on here and I want it to be a surprise. So I'm gonna cover it with my hand while I show this to you so I don't see it. But they always have the cutest spooky art. And I like that even though it's you know, horror themed, it's still it's not the same scents over and over again. They actually change it according to the season. And I love that. Let's see, what is in here? Chillin' Killin' Body Wash. Ooh, raspberries, magnolia, and vanilla. I'm sure that smells freaking amazing. I love their body washes. They're always really rich and frothy. I want to smell you. Oh my god. That smells so good. It's kind of similar to the scent of those rocket pops. It smells really good. Oh my god. What else? Ooh! Pool of Blood Bath Salt Fruit Punch. Oh my god. I love taking baths. I've never used their bath soaks before, so I am so excited about this. Oh my god. Open you up and smell it. Oh my god. That smells like my favorite candy. Ah! You know those sour punch straws, the strawberry ones? It smells exactly like one of those. That is so amazing. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys when I do too. I'm sure it will make the water really pretty. What else do we have? Oh my god. A split scrub, coconut lime, drinks and deaths. That art is so cute. I love their body scrubs so much. Their products are really at least their scrubs and their whipped soaps, they're very buttery and smooth feeling while still being exfoliating, but it's not rough. That smells really good. That smells just like a cocktail, and the colors are so vibrant. I'm very excited to use this too. Their stuff works obviously don't use it on a fresh tattoo, but if you have like a healed tattoo and you want it to just be like a little more vibrant looking, their scrubs are great for that just because they're exfoliating and moisturizing. What else do we have? I think there's like 2 more things in here. Mandarin Mimosa hand soap. Oh my god, Killjoy. Oh, also all of their stuff is like vegan and like paraben free, which is cool. I love that this is like a pretty like sparkly pink. Their hand soaps are so great. I always keep them like by my kitchen sink. Oh my god. The little like girl with the cute hair and like the flowers, like oh my gosh. I want to smell you too. Ooh. I mean, it smells like a mimosa. I don't know what else to say. It's all of the scents always end up smelling exactly like they say they're going to, which is nice. Because I hate it when like I get a scent, like especially I get this more often with candles than anything else, but like I will see a scent and get super excited and then I smell it and it's like nothing like I expected to be and it's like super disappointed. I hate it when that happens. But I've never been disappointed by any of these products. And then I think this is the last thing. Ooh, Party Supplies Body Butter, Sunscreen and Warm Woods. This is like the perfect purse size too. I'm actually probably gonna throw this in my bag immediately. Oh, there's a thing on it. Oh my god, that smells like sunscreen, like a woody sunscreen. Which, let me know in the comments if you like the smell of sunscreen or not. I personally love the smell of it, but I know some people just don't. Oh my god, that feels so rich and creamy. It's not sticky at all, and it smells and just feels really nice on the skin. It's like summery, but also earthy smelling, if that makes sense, you know? Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, this is for sure going in my purse. Then I think that's everything, but I'm gonna like double check this just in case. Okay, yeah. Nope, that is everything that's inside of here. But yeah, that's it. I absolutely love all of these products. So, yeah. You know, I'm deciding on whether I want to make a TikTok showing all of these or like a reel, or if I want to just like show clips in the video. I don't know. If I do that, I will refilm this outro. But yeah, if I don't do that, I'm gonna film the outro now. So yeah, that is everything. Everything is like so good. I once again absolutely love this box. Like I said, I've never been disappointed by any of their products. Like they're always so good, and like there's just so much pink in this, and pink is my favorite color. So like, yeah. It is all inside the box. Trying to make it all neat and organized without like having it all fall over. But yeah, that's it. That is the box. Let me know if you liked the video and if you want to see like more unboxings or anything else like that. And definitely check out their site and their subscription boxes. All their stuff is amazing. Even if you don't get like a subscription box, like I highly recommend just like trying any of their random products. I absolutely love them. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have an amazing day, and like and subscribe if you want to see more. And that's it. Okay, bye. Gonna take the thumbnail.